So here we are going to start the thing transcription. So what is transcription? This is transfer of genetic material. So formation of RNA over DNA template. ठीक है. So जब RNA की formation होती है from DNA, that thing is known as transcription. And the strand of DNA which takes part in transcription is known as template strand. We know this DNA has two strands and the strand which takes part in transcription is known as template strand. Clear? Or this is also known as antisense strand. Antisense strand. So template strand or antisense strand takes part in transcription. Clear? Only a part of this template strand takes part in transcription. ठीक है. So पूरे का पूरा template strand participate नहीं करता transcription में, सिर्फ इसका एक part करता है. So that part is known as transcriptional unit. Transcriptional unit. So what is transcription? This is transfer of genetic material. ठीक है. So mainly this is the formation of RNA from the DNA template. ठीक है. So जो strand participate करता है in the transcription, that strand is known as template strand or antisense strand. Clear? So DNA has two strands, out of which one strand takes part in transcription. That thing is known as template strand or antisense strand. ठीक है. And this strand completely not participate in the transcription. Only a part of template strand participates in the transcription. That thing is known as transcriptional unit. ठीक है. So one gene or more than one gene can participate in the transcription. So एक जीन या उससे ज्यादा जीन participate कर सकते हैं in the transcription. Clear? So now we will do some basic things about this transcription. So before starting the transcription in step by step, we will do some basic things about this transcription. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले जो basic चीज है in the transcription, that thing is enzymes. ठीक है. So enzyme is the first requirement of this transcription. ठीक है. So first of all, first enzyme which is important for this transcription is RNA polymerase or also known as RNAP. ठीक है. So RNAP or RNA polymerase is the first enzyme which is required for transcription. So RNA polymerase is of three type: RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2 and RNA polymerase 3. ठीक है. So these three type of polymerase are present in eukaryotes and only one type of RNAP is present in prokaryotes. तो जो प्रोकैरियोटिक टाइप के सेल है उनमें सिर्फ एक ही RNAP प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है. So RNA polymerase of E. coli has 5 polypeptide chains. ठीक है. So there are 5 parts of this polymerase of E. coli. ठीक है. They are known as beta, beta dash, 2 of alpha types and 1 is sigma. ठीक है. So these are 5 different types of factors which are present in RNAP of E. coli. ठीक है. And this is very important, sigma factor. So sigma factor is the initiation factor of transcription. Clear? So this sigma factor recognizes the start signal. So as we have explained here, E. coli has 5 factor of RNA polymerase. ठीक है. जो E. coli है उसके RNAP में 5 factor present है. ठीक है. So these are polypeptide chains mainly. First one is beta, beta dash, alpha, alpha. So alpha के दो types हैं and one is sigma. Sigma is very important factor as it will recognize the start signal of the transcription. Clear? So this is about enzymes required for the transcription. So in eukaryotic type of cell, there are number of proteins are present which starts transcription. ठीक है. So these factors are initiation factors because they initiate the process transcription. So in eukaryotic type of cell, a number of proteins are present which start transcription. ठीक है. So these are known as transcriptional factors. ठीक है. So जो ये initiation factor है इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Transcription factor और TF. Clear? So there are different types of transcription factors are present in the eukaryotic type of cells like TF second D, TF third A, TF third C, TBP or also known as Tata box binding protein and TAF which is Tata box association factor. ठीक है. So these are different type of transcriptional factor which are required for the initiation of transcription. ठीक है. And on the transcriptional unit, so जो transcriptional unit है of the template strand, उन पे दो रीजन होते हैं. First reason is promoter region and the second reason is terminating region. ठीक है। सो दीज आर टू रीजन विच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड, ठीक है। सो जो टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड है डीएनए का, उसके ऊपर ये दो रीजन प्रेजेंट है ऑन द ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल यूनिट, ठीक है। सो ऑन द प्रमोटर रीजन this transcription will start, and on the terminating region this transcription will stop. So it will stop on the terminating region and it will start from the promoter region. On this promoter region, RNA polymerase recognition sites are present. So on this promoter region, RNA polymerase recognition sites are present, as well as RNA polymerase binding sites are present, ठीक है। सो जो आरएनए पॉलीमरेज है दैट विल बाइंड ऑन दिस प्रमोटर रीजन, ठीक है। सो दैट इज व्हाई आरएनए पॉलीमरेज बाइंडिंग साइट्स एंड रिकॉग्निशन साइट्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन दिस प्रमोटर रीजन, एंड ऑन टर्मिनेटर रीजन poly A sequence are present. Poly A means many adenosine base are present, ठीक है। So this terminating region has poly A base sequences. So this terminator region has poly A base sequence or palindromic sequence. So what are palindromic sequence? These sequence are as these are same from left to right, like I, EYE, okay, and similarly like the word madam. From left to right and right to left, these both are the same, MADAM, MADAM, ठीक है। सो जो टर्मिनेटिंग रीजन पे या तो पोली ए सीक्वेंस होंगे बेस के, ठीक है, या फिर कौन से होंगे पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस प्रेजेंट होंगे। सो इन दिस टर्मिनेटिंग रीजन टर्मिनेशन फैक्टर्स आर प्रेजेंट। So these factors are also known as row factor, इनको row factor भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है। So this is about promoter region and terminating region. So these are general points about the transcription process, ठीक है। सबसे पहले हमारे पास क्या है, the first thing was enzymes, उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या था, transcription factor and this promoter region and terminating region, ठीक है। Now we will do this transcriptional process step by step. So these 5 steps are involved in transcription. First step is activation of ribonucleotides. So these ribo sugar will activated in this first process. This thing we will do later in detail. Then DNA template will be formed, ठीक है, which is acting as a template strand for the newly formed RNA. Then third step is base pairing. Fourth is chain formation. Then base will be paired and a long chain of RNA will be formed. And last is chain separation and processing. ठीक है। So these are 5 steps which are involved in transcription. So one by one we will do all these steps in detail. So first step is activation of ribonucleotides. So we know this ribonucleotide has ribo sugar. So ribo sugars are present on ribonucleotides. Clear? So first of all, thymidine monophosphate will change into uridine monophosphate. So this is the first step in एक्टिवेशन ऑफ राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड, ठीक है, यूरिडीन मोनोफॉस्फेट. सो थाइमिडीन मोनोफॉस्फेट विल चेंज इनटू यूरिडीन मोनोफॉस्फेट एज यूरासिल इज प्रेजेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ थायमिन इन आरएनए. वी नो दिस थिंग, ठीक है. सो राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड हैज राइबो शुगर्स. थाइमिडीन मोनोफॉस्फेट विल चेंज इनटू यूरिडीन मोनोफॉस्फेट. क्लियर? एंड वी नो दिस 4 types of nucleotides are present such as AMP, GMP, UMP and CMP. ठीक है. So these 4 type of nucleotides are present. AMP means adenosine monophosphate, GMP is guanosine monophosphate, this is uridine monophosphate and the last one is cytosine monophosphate. ठीक है. So these 4 types of ribonucleotides are present in the nucleoplasm. So जैसे सेल का साइटोप्लाज्म है वैसे ही न्यूक्लियस का न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म है. So in this nucleoplasm these 4 type of nucleotides are present. So now this will converting into activated form. ठीक है. So this AMP will converted into ATP. So this is the activated form of AMP. This GMP will converted into GTP. This will be UTP and the CMP will converted into CTP. So this is adenosine triphosphate, guanosine triphosphate, uridine triphosphate and cytosine triphosphate. ठीक है. So this is the activated form of all the 4 type of nucleotide. सो एक्टिवेशन ऑफ राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड में ये होगा AMP, ATP, GMP से GTP, UMP से UTP एंड CMP से CTP. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. ठीक है। सो बेस टेम्पलेट इज द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, ठीक है। सो ये उसका सेकंड पॉइंट है। इन दिस सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए कोरस्पोंडिंग टू वन और मोर सिस्ट्रोन, ठीक है। सो सिस्ट्रोन इज द पार्ट ऑफ द डीएनए विच हैज एक्टिवेटेड जीन, ठीक है। सो जहां पे सिस्ट्रोन प्रेजेंट होगा बिकम डिप्रेस्ड एंड रेडी टू ट्रांसक्राइब। सो वो क्या होगा, डिप्रेस होगा एंड देन इट विल ट्रांसक्राइब, ठीक है। उसके बाद इसकी क्या होगी, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगी, ठीक है। सो सेगमेंट ऑफ डीएनए व्हिच इज कंटेनिंग सिस्ट्रोन विल डिप्रेस एंड इट विल रेडी टू ट्रांसक्राइब। सो द रीजन ऑफ डीएनए व्हिच इज रेडी फॉर दिस ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हैज टू रीजन, वी नो दिस। फर्स्ट वन इज प्रोमोटरी व्हिच आरएनए पॉलीमरेज विल बाइंड, ठीक है, एंड द सेकंड वन इज टर्मिनेटिंग रीजन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनकोइलिंग विल बी अकर। सो प्रोग्रेसिवली टू स्ट्रैंड ऑफ डीएनए विल अनकोइल, उनकी अनकोइलिंग होगी, ठीक है। सो वन स्ट्रैंड ऑफ द अनकोइल्ड डीएनए विल एक्ट एज ए टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड। सो ये क्या करेगा, टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड की तरह काम करेगा। सो दिस टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड विल टेक पार्ट इन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, क्लियर। सो दिस इज द सेकंड पॉइंट, बेस टेम्पलेट। सो थर्ड स्टेप इज बेस पेयरिंग। सो एक्टिवेटेड न्यूक्लियोटाइड मेनली ट्राइफॉस्फेट लाइक एटीपी, जीटीपी, सीटीपी एंड यूटीपी, ठीक है। सो एक्टिवेटेड न्यूक्लियोटाइड विल कम लाइज ऑपोजिट टू दी टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड ऑफ दी। सो कंप्लीमेंट्री पेयरिंग होगी ऑफ U to A, C to G and G to C, ठीक है। सो दिस इज द कंप्लीमेंट्री बेस पेयरिंग व्हिच विल अकर इन द nucleoplasm. So first of all, activated nucleotide are present in the nucleoplasm or in the surrounding medium, which come lie opposite to the DNA template, and they will make pair with such as U to A, uracil to adenine, cytosine to guanine, guanine to cytosine, ठीक है। So first nucleotide which will make pair is generally ATP or GTP, means purine. So pyrophosphatase. So this is the enzyme which will takes part to dissociate with this ATP, ठीक है। So ATP with the help of pyrophosphatase converted into AMP or adenosine monophosphate and this one, ठीक है। So ATP will converted into AMP with the help of enzyme pyrophosphatase, ठीक है। So इसकी हेल्प से ये इसमें कन्वर्ट होगा and the energy will release and this thing will undergoes hydrolysis and again प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी, ठीक है। सो उसके बाद फिर एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होगी। सो दिस थिंग इज हैपनिंग इन दिस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एटीपी विच इज द एक्टिवेटेड न्यूक्लियोटाइड कन्वर्टेड इनटू एएमपी एडेनोसिन मोनोफॉस्फेट विच विल रिलीज एनर्जी। सो दिस इज द थर्ड स्टेप, बेस पेयरिंग। सो फोर्थ स्टेप इज चेन फॉर्मेशन, ठीक है। सो इन दिस स्टेप RNA chain will be formed, ठीक है। सो elongation होगी चेन की। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विद द हेल्प ऑफ RNA polymerase and magnesium 2 positive, the adjacent nucleotides which are held over DNA template joined together by phosphodiester bonds, ठीक है। सो जितने भी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स प्रेजेंट है which are coming towards the DNA template, they will join together by phosphodiester bonds, ठीक है। सो they will form RNA chain, okay। सो वो क्या बनाएंगे, RNA की चेन बनाएंगे। लाइक दिस इज द strand of the DNA template strand, ठीक है। So these are the nucleotides which are coming over the DNA strand, ठीक है। So these nucleotide of RNA will join together, so they will join together by this phosphodiester bond, ठीक है। So जो ये जितने भी RNA के nucleotides होंगे they will join together by phosphodiester bond, clear। So as the chain elongation will occur, sigma factor will separate, ठीक है। So जो sigma factor है which is present in this RNA polymerase will separate and core enzyme with the help of this protein will move over DNA template and by this elongation will occur. So as the elongation will occur, the sigma factor will separate, ठीक है। So then core enzyme will take part in elongation of the RNA chain. Basically beta, beta dash, alpha, alpha and sigma, these are the factors which are present in RNA polymerase, ठीक है। So this is the initiation factor, it will separate as the elongation will occur and for the elongation these core enzymes are required, ठीक है। So these all are the core enzymes, clear। So core enzyme and Nus-A protein are required for elongation of the chain, ठीक है। So RNA chain will formed until the termination region will occur। So जब तक टर्मिनेशन रीजन नहीं आएगा आरएनए की चेन फॉर्मेशन होगी, ठीक है। सो एज द टर्मिनेशन चेन विल अकर विद द हेल्प ऑफ रो फैक्टर द टर्मिनेशन विल बी डन, ठीक है। सो उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगी, चेन की टर्मिनेशन हो जाएगी। सो दिस इज द चेन फॉर्मेशन। last step of transcription is chain separation and processing. So as the RNA chain will be completed, this will be separated from the DNA template. So जो ये DNA का template strand है उसे ये separate हो जाएगी this RNA chain. Clear? After this DNA duplex will join together as it is. ठीक है? So उसके बाद जो ये strand है template strand and this complementary strand will join together by hydrogen bonding. So these template strand and this one complementary strand of this strand will be joined together by hydrogen bonding. ठीक है? So this is the chain separation. Next thing is the newly formed RNA is known as primary transcript. ठीक है? So the newly synthesized RNA is known as primary transcript. So this primary transcript has some non-essential segment also. ठीक है? So this non-essential segment is separated by nucleases enzyme. So this nucleases enzyme takes part in the removal of non-essential segment of the primary transcript. ठीक है? And then essential part of the primary transcript will be joined enzymatically. ठीक है? So with the help of enzymes, the essential part will be joined together. ठीक है? So generally mRNA is the primary transcript type of RNA. ठीक है? So in this some essential and non-essential parts are present. ठीक है? So like this part is non-essential. So these non-essential parts are removed by the nucleases and these essential parts are joined together again by the help of enzymes. ठीक है? So this thing is chain separation and processing. Clear? This is the last step of transcription. So here we will take a quick recap of transcription process. So first of all, this is DNA segment or transcriptional unit. ठीक है? So this is transcription unit which has to be transcribed. Okay? So this is the core enzyme and this is the sigma factor. So core enzyme and sigma factor will join together and come towards the DNA segment. ठीक है? So जो DNA segment है जिसकी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होनी है उस साइड पे आएगी. Clear? In the next step they will join to the DNA strand or template strand. ठीक है? So they will join to this template strand of the DNA and the site at which they will join is known as initiation site. So जहां पे ये join करेंगे it is known as initiation site. ठीक है? So this is initiation site on which sigma factor and core enzyme will join with this DNA template. Clear? Next we have this sigma factor will remove. ये sigma factor remove करेगा as the elongation process will occur. ठीक है? So सबसे पहले थोड़ी सी RNA की चेन बनेगी. So जैसे ही RNA की चेन की elongation होगी this sigma factor will remove. ठीक है? So ये sigma factor remove हो जाएगा. Then the elongation of RNA chain will occur. So this elongation will done until the rho factor will come. So this is the rho factor which will terminate this RNA synthesis. ठीक है? So this rho factor and NUS-G protein. So these two protein will takes part in the termination of this elongation of the RNA chain. ठीक है? So these are the different steps which are involved in the transcription. Clear? At last we will do transcription in eukaryotes. ठीक है? So with the help of this diagram we will do how this eukaryotic type of cell will be transcribed. ठीक है? So first of all in eukaryotic type of cell 3 type of RNA polymerase are required. We know this thing. RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 3. So all these are present in the nucleus. ठीक है? And this thing is form pre-ribosomal RNA. It will form pre-mRNA and it will form tRNA. ठीक है? So pre-ribosomal RNA is formed by RNA polymerase 1 except 5S RNA. RNA polymerase will form pre-mRNA and RNA polymerase third will form tRNA. ठीक है? So all these are present in the nucleus. ठीक है? Next thing which is very important in eukaryotic type of transcription is Tata box. ठीक है? What is this Tata box? This is the highly conserved sequence present on this template. ठीक है? So first of all, this Tata box contain these sequence TATA, then AT, A, and again AT. So this is the sequence which is present in this Tata box. ठीक है? So TA, then AT, A, and AT. ठीक है? So mainly adenine and thymine are present in this Tata box. Clear? So what is Tata box? This is the promoter site for RNA polymerase second. So this Tata box is present 25 to 35 base pair upstream, that is at 5' end. As we know, this is the region from where the transcription will start. So this is +1 position from where the transcription will start, and this data box is present towards the 5' end of the template strand. ठीक है, so इस तरफ present होगा. Clear? So this is present upstream from this initiation side. ठीक है, so upstream मतलब towards the 5' end present है. ठीक है, कितने base pair? 25 से 35. So this is +1 position which is initiation position, and this is -25 position where data box is present. Clear? So this data box will mainly recognition site for this RNA polymerase. ठीक है, so this is the recognition site for this RNA polymerase which are coming toward this template strand. ठीक है, so this data box is required for the initiation of this transcriptional process. ठीक है, so transcription की process की initiation के लिए this data box is required. Clear? So first of all, on the data box, TF2D type of protein complex will come towards this data box. So this is containing TAF2S and TBP2 type of proteins. ठीक है, so what is TBP? TBP is data box binding protein. ठीक है, so TBP is data box binding protein and TAF is data box association factor. So these two will come towards this data box. ठीक है, which is present -25 position from this initiation position. So this is TF2D protein complex. So after this, the second thing is TF2A and TF2B. Clear? Which is coming toward this TBP and TAF protein complex. So what is the function of this A? This TF2A is for stabilization. So it will provide stabilization to this TBP and this TAF. And now is TF2B. So this is known as bridge. So it will make a bridge between this TF2D and this one. ठीक है, so this TF2B will make a bridge between this complex and this complex. Okay, so next step is TF2F and RNA polymerase second will join this complex. ठीक है, and at the last TF2E, H and J. So TF2E, TF2H and TF2 or transcriptional factor second J will join this complex. ठीक है, so after this transcription will start. So whole these are containing at least 40 polypeptides. So जितने भी प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स है उनमें 40 polypeptide can be present, and whole these are known as transcriptional initiation complex. So all these protein complexes known as transcriptional initiation complex. ठीक है, so they will transcribe the RNA. So this transcriptional initiation complex will join together and it will move toward this 3' end. ठीक है, so after this RNA chain will be formed. So its elongation will occur until the termination region will come. ठीक है, so जैसे ही terminating region आएगा, then terminating of chain will be occurred and we will get the primary transcript. So जो RNA की formation होगी that is known as primary transcript. So this is the eukaryotic type of transcription. So we have done with the thing transcription, prokaryotic type and eukaryotic type. Rest of the thing we will do later. Thank you.